It does not matter if you run a small Etsy business or a Shopify store. Increasing sales will always be a major concern. Increasing sales to your online store looks easy on paper, but hard in practice. And there are hundreds of tips on the internet on how best you can increase sales conversions in your online store. And many of them are legitimate and proven to work for others, but some may be difficult to implement. In today's video, you'll gain insights into some of the best practices to increase sales conversions in your online store. And these methods work for any e-commerce model, physical goods, digital goods, or services. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Your product pages need to have high-quality images and videos to encourage your visitors. Think about the kind of images and videos that you see when shopping online that prompt you to make a buying decision. Since your customers cannot touch your products online, the next best experience is to see your products through detailed images and videos. Showing clear and high-quality images and videos for your products let your customers know what they are getting. It helps them better visualize your product and reach a buying decision faster. You can use graphics, infographics, logo maker, and video making software such as Render Forest, InstaSize, Canva, and some other Canva alternatives. So you can hire a photographer and videographer to take quality images and videos of your products for upload on your store if you like it. Your copy is the words you use to describe or sell your products. If it does not have to be a page long, it can be a few words long. An engaging and interesting copy can boost your sales conversions in your online store. If you're running a small e-commerce store, it can be counterproductive to sound like a multinational enterprise. People can see through your bluff, and it instantly damages your brand's credibility and peels them off. Instead, take pride in your small e-commerce store and write a compelling copy that'll make your visitors want to purchase. Many people today are turning to smaller businesses because of their personalized offers. The good old free shipping offer is a great way to increase sales conversions in your online store. Online customers have come to expect free shipping with any offer they see online. Now the question on your mind is, how can you offer free shipping and still make a profit? The answer is, you can. Free shipping is first and foremost a psychological game. Your customer will pay for the free shipping. Instead of charging them separately for the product and then the shipping, you charge once. You increase the price of your products to accommodate the shipping cost, and then offer the product for free shipping. Your customer will still pay the same price they would if you change shipping costs separately from the normal product price. The difference is that you get more sales when you offer free shipping. Creating a sense of urgency in your prospects is an excellent way to increase sales. The purpose of creating a sense of urgency is to cause more customers to buy. And there are numerous ways you can create a sense of urgency. You can create a limited product offer or a time-sensitive offer. You can also offer discounts or free shipping for a particular period to drive more sales. Positive customer feedback left on your online store will help you increase your sales conversion. When a customer wants to shop for a product in your store, after the images and descriptions of your product page, the next thing they check is customer reviews. If there are lots of positive and impressive reviews or testimonials from real customers, they get encouraged to make the purchase. Testimonials from satisfied customers assure the interested customer about the quality of the product more than any sales copy. Ensure you include the best testimonials and reviews about your products on the first page if you have multiple ones. Before you implement any of the ways to increase your sales conversion, ensure you have a great product or service. None of these practices will result in long-term sales relationships if your products and services are not great. If you consistently implement this practice, you will increase your sales conversion. And make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss out. I am Summer, and I will see you on our next one.